Welcome to today's story, The Lost Wallet. This story is perfect for English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and practice real-life conversations. In this tale, you'll follow John as he deals with a stressful yet common situation, losing his wallet. Through his interactions with strangers and park staff, you'll learn how to politely ask for help in English, useful phrases for describing lost items, how to respond kindly and offer suggestions when someone needs assistance. Whether you're practicing listening or reading, this story will help you become more confident using English in everyday situations. Get ready to immerse yourself in the story and learn practical language skills you can use anytime. It was a bright and sunny morning. John decided to take a walk in the park to enjoy the fresh air before heading to his favorite cafe for breakfast. The park was alive with activity, children laughing on the playground, joggers passing by, and elderly couples strolling hand in hand. After walking for a while, John felt thirsty and decided to buy a bottle of water from a nearby vendor. As he reached into his pocket, he froze. His wallet wasn't there. "Oh no," John muttered, patting all his pockets. "Where is it?" He sat down on a bench and tried to think. "I had it when I left home. I bought coffee earlier. Maybe I dropped it somewhere." John decided to retrace his steps. He walked back along the path he had taken, carefully scanning the ground. When he didn't find anything, he realized he needed help. Nearby, a woman was jogging with her dog. Gathering his courage, John approached her. "John, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to bother you, but I think I lost my wallet. Have you seen one lying around here?" Woman, stopping and catching her breath, "Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I haven't seen a wallet, but where do you think you might have dropped it?" John, "I'm not sure. I've been walking around the park for a while. It's a black leather wallet." Woman, you could try the park office. People often turn in lost items there. John, that's a good idea. Thank you so much. Woman, no problem. Good luck. Feeling a little more hopeful, John made his way to the park office. The receptionist, an older woman with glasses, greeted him with a kind smile. Receptionist, good morning. How can I help you today? John, good morning. I think I lost my wallet somewhere in the park. It's a black leather wallet. Has anyone turned one in? Receptionist, let me check for you. Please wait a moment. The receptionist opened a drawer labeled Lost and Found and began looking through the items. Receptionist, you're in luck. We do have a black leather wallet here. Can you describe what's inside it to confirm it's yours? John, yes, it should have my ID, some cash, and a few cards. My ID has my name, John Peterson. Receptionist, smiling, that matches. Here you go. John took the wallet and opened it. Everything was intact. John, oh, thank goodness. I was so worried. Thank you so much for keeping it safe. Receptionist, you're welcome. Always a good idea to double-check your belongings before you leave a place. John, I'll definitely be more careful next time. I really appreciate your help. Relieved, John stepped out of the office. On his way back, he saw the jogger again and waved. John, hey, I found it. It was at the park office, just like you said. Woman, that's great news. I'm glad to hear it. John, thanks again for pointing me in the right direction. Woman, anytime. Take care. John smiled as he walked toward the cafe. He felt grateful for the kindness of strangers and made a mental note to always keep an eye on his belongings in the future. This story showcases practical expressions and phrases for real-life scenarios. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. A polite way to start a conversation. Have you seen a lost item? Asking for help with a missing item. You could try a suggestion. Offering a helpful idea. Let me check for you. A polite way to respond to a request. Can you describe details to confirm? Asking for verification. Thank you for listening to The Lost Wallet. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned useful English phrases for everyday situations. Remember, practicing real-life conversations like these will help you become more confident in your language skills. Stay tuned for more stories to improve your English listening and speaking. See you next time.